Welcome, makers. Let's take a tour of our new makerspace. After you log in, you'll land on a screen like this one. This is your home screen, and you can access all of your projects from here. The STEM projects folder here is where you can access projects that your teacher has assigned to you. You can also create a new project and build whatever you want. These projects are saved in the My Projects folder. We're going to go ahead and open up one of my projects. Okay, great. This is your Qweebi makerspace. Think of it like a makerspace in real life. For example, this grid here, right, this blue and white grid here, is just like the floor or your workbench in a real makerspace. We call it the shop floor, and it's where all the action happens. This is where you're going to be building your prototypes. Okay? Up here are your supply bins, just like the ones you're used to seeing in the front of your classrooms, right? On Quibi, all of your supplies are organized neatly in these bins. And you've got all kinds of really interesting stuff. For example, you have everyday household objects, you have cardboard boxes, you even have electrical supplies, batteries, motors, switches, etc. And it's all right here in front of you, right? Whenever you want, you can simply click on a bin and grab what you need. It's really as simple as that. Okay. Now that you know about supplies, let's go take a look at some tools you can build with. Okay. So I have here a half-done prototype of an electric car I was working on. Let's finish it together. Looks like it's going to need another wheel glued onto the straw axle. So with Quibi, I can just grab some glue and stick things together just like that. Quibi also lets you do electrical wiring, so you can create working electric circuits like so. Okay. The last thing you need to know about the Quibi Makerspace are stations. So just like in a real makerspace, you have different stations to do different kinds of work. So we're currently in the build station. This is where we put our prototypes together. And then there's a code station that's going to be coming soon where you can write some code to control your creations. And finally, there's a test station, which lets you test your prototypes in real world conditions. So there you have it. That's the end of our little tour of the Quibi Makerspace.